To connect your Soundcore Liberty NC4 with the MacBook, first you need to open a case with your earbuds. Then look for this button right here. You need to click on it and hold it until the LED lamp on your earbuds starts flashing, like this. Now you can let go of that button and put your earbuds aside. Make sure that the case is opened or your earbuds are removed. Now we can move to my MacBook. And right here I need to enter a password, sorry for that. So now on the MacBook we need to open a Bluetooth settings, and again, sorry for the light as it's very hard to actually do anything with the screen. So I'm gonna try to adjust the light so you can see something. Okay, and now we can move to the Bluetooth settings as I said, and right here we should be able to find our Soundcore Liberty for NC and connect with them. And that would be honestly everything. As you can see, they are connected.